I think you all are stupid.
Hey, not nice.
You'll leave us alone.
I agree with Sarah Palin.
Boo.